Have you ever wondered if plants could turn the tables and feast on animals? Welcome to the intriguing world of carnivorous plants, a diverse group of flora with a most unusual diet. These extraordinary organisms possess the uncanny ability to trap, ensnare and digest unsuspecting prey, taking the term survival of the fittest to new levels. From the infamous Venus flytrap to the elusive pitcher plant, their unique adaptations are as varied as they are fascinating. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating life cycle of these predatory plants. Every carnivorous plant begins life as a tiny seed, no different from a common daisy or a majestic oak. Just like any other plant, the seed of a carnivorous plant embarks on a fascinating journey of growth and transformation. The process starts with germination, where the seed, given the right conditions, breaks open to let a young root called a radicle snake its way into the soil. Above ground, the seedling unfurls its cotyledons, the first leaves, reaching out for the sun's nourishing rays. Water, too, plays a crucial role in the life of a carnivorous plant seedling. It provides the much-needed hydration and acts as a conduit for transporting nutrients from the soil to the plant. But here's where the narrative diverges from the norm. As the seedling matures, it doesn't just rely on the sun, water and soil for sustenance. It begins to exhibit a rather unusual appetite. But as it grows, this innocent seedling starts to reveal its carnivorous nature. As the plant matures, it develops its signature trapping mechanisms. These mechanisms are as varied as they are ingenious. First, we have the famous snap trap of the Venus flytrap. Swift and unforgiving, the flytrap closes its leaves in less than a second, trapping its unsuspecting prey. Then there's the pitfall trap of the pitcher plant, a slippery slope leading to a pool of digestive enzymes. This trap is as deceptive as it is deadly. Insects, lured by the plant's nectar, find themselves sliding into a deep well from which there's no return. Lastly, we have the sticky traps of sundews. These plants lure insects with their sweet scent and then ensnare them with their sticky, tentacle-like leaves. The prey is then slowly digested, providing the sundew with the nutrients it needs to thrive. And once the trap is sprung, there's no escape for the unfortunate prey. Now comes the climax of our story. The digestion process. In an unassuming act of nature's alchemy, the carnivorous plant embarks on a silent feast. Its stomach, the leafy trap, secretes a cocktail of potent enzymes. These molecular scissors snip the captured prey into manageable, absorbable pieces. It's a slow dance, a dance that may take days or even weeks to complete. As the enzymes work, they break down the insect, releasing precious nutrients. These nutrients, often scarce in the plant's native soil, are absorbed directly into the plant's tissues. It's a supplement, a boost, a survival strategy in a world not always kind to green things. And so the plant continues to thrive, ready to set its traps for the next round of prey. In its own time, the carnivorous plant will produce flowers, seeds, and the cycle begins anew. In a world of hunters and prey, carnivorous plants stand as a testament to the ingenuity of nature. But despite their unconventional diets, these fascinating organisms are still very much plants. Their life cycle mirrors that of their less predatory cousins, beginning with the sprouting of a seed, nurtured by sunlight and soil. As they mature, these plants form intricate traps, a testament to their adaptation. But this predatory aspect is just one part of their existence. They bloom, producing vibrant flowers that attract pollinators, ensuring the continuation of their species. These flowers then give way to seeds, ready to start the cycle anew. From seed to predator, the life cycle of a carnivorous plant is a marvel of evolution. So, we've journeyed through the life of a carnivorous plant, from humble beginnings to fearsome predator. We've seen how a simple seed germinates, then develops ingenious trapping mechanisms. We've marveled at the digestion process, transforming insects into nourishment. We've observed the intricate reproduction process, ensuring the cycle continues. These captivating curiosities are a testament to the marvels of nature. Indeed, nature is full of wonders, and carnivorous plants are one of its most captivating curiosities.